Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn math statistics. To begin, focus on building a strong mathematical foundation. This means revisiting core algebra and calculus principles, which are essential for understanding statistical formulas. Next, dive into basic probability, learning about concepts like independent events and different types of distributions. Finally, get comfortable with descriptive statistics, understanding how to summarize data using measures like the mean, median, and mode. This initial groundwork is crucial for your success. Once you have the basics down, it's time to explore core statistical concepts. Delve into inferential statistics, which allows you to make predictions and draw conclusions about populations from samples. A key part of this is understanding hypothesis testing, where you evaluate claims about data. Also, learn about different sampling methods, like random sampling, and how they impact your results. Finally, study regression analysis to model relationships between two or more variables, predicting outcomes with greater accuracy. Now, let's talk about applying your knowledge. The best way to truly learn is by working with real-world datasets. This hands-on experience helps you see how theoretical concepts translate into practical insights. Start using statistical software, such as R or Python. These tools are indispensable for handling large datasets and performing complex analyses. Remember to focus on interpreting your results accurately and communicating your findings clearly, perhaps through visualizations or concise reports. To continue your growth in statistics, consider exploring more advanced topics. This could include delving into Bayesian statistics, which offers a different approach to inference, or even venturing into machine learning, where statistics plays a vital role. Make use of online courses, comprehensive textbooks, and academic papers to deepen your understanding. Finally, join online communities or study groups. Discussing concepts and solving problems collaboratively can significantly enhance your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.